today's masterclass was awesome.
What was your favorite part about the masterclass?
Probably like when he did the mime. My favorite part had to be the tug-of-war rope. It was so much fun. It was really hard. It seems really easy, but actually when you are in the flesh and blood and doing it, it's really hard.
I really liked when he rolled the coin in his fingers. I thought that was really cool.
My favorite part would have had to have been like learning all like the different ways to like shift your weight to make illusions of like how things work.
I like when he showed how to do the miming stuff and how I got to go on stage and like do it too.
Masterclass was really cool. I really enjoyed learning about all the miming stuff.
It was amazing. He's my favorite of all the master classes so far.